Hello everyone, it's a time to write a program for Arduino Uno. Let's download its official IDE from its website. The website is www.arduino.cc. As soon as you start the website, there is a particular tab called software. It is having two sub options. One is online tools and the download. The online tools we will see in the coming section. Right now click on the downloads. From the download, again it is asking for the Arduino web editor. It is an online tools. We are not going to touch right now. Scroll down the screen. You can see the download the Arduino IDE tab is given. This particular area is for Windows. From these options you can see there are different Windows installer available. As per your choice and the platform, you can download and install it. As well as here Mac OS, Linux OS and the source code option is also given. As it is an open source, we have the source code access for this particular IDE. If you scroll down, you can see number of other options also available, from where to download and what are the other options. Hourly build, the latest builds are also available. I suggest not to go with this as of now. Just get your Arduino IDE from this particular part.